Okay, so now we're going to talk about glue. Your adhesive, what adhesive that you use, and how we're dipping our extension into the glue, how often you should change your glue. So with your adhesive, you want to be storing it not in the sun, not on a windowsill. You want it to be in a dry, locked drawer, away from the radiator. If you're in a salon and your room goes too cold at night time, then you might want to think about putting a portable radiator on a timer plug, so that the room gets warmed up about an hour before you get there, so that your room's at the right temperature. I'll do another video on temperature and humidity and how it affects your glue. So we have the Platinum Plus and the Platinum. So the Platinum Plus is a faster setting one, and the Platinum is the a slightly slower. This is ultra fast. This is slightly slower. I use both because of different types of lashes need different things. And when my room is very different from the winter to the summer, so I need different glues for the winter and the summer. So before you place out your glue, I really recommend the little petal palette. The petal palette allows you to pour in the right amount of glue, and it's also in this deep concave here, so that the elements get to the glue less. So there's less surface that the conditions of the room can get to, which actually makes your glue last longer, which is going to help you. Before you're placing out your glue, you're going to shake it vigorously for 30 seconds, especially if you haven't used it over the weekend and it's just sat down on the side and settled. So we're going to shake up our glue, and I'll be using the Platinum Plus today. Remove the lid. When you go to pour out, first thing you want to do is burp your glue bottle. So to burp your glue bottle, you are just going to do that with it. I need a gauze wipe. I haven't got a gauze wipe on me at the minute. Burp the bottle so that all of that air then comes out. We don't want a little bit of glue trapped in this nozzle and then we're pouring that out, because that is old glue. So we've given it a good burp. When we tip it out upside down and we go to pour it out, we don't want to squeeze loads of blobs. We want to hold it upside down and we're just going to let it come out, not squeezing the bottle too much. You can also burp the bottle before you put the lid back on, so that it's ready for you next time as well. In regards to dipping our extension in, so when the glue first goes out, it's a very thin consistency. It hasn't had any time to cure. So when I first dip my extension, I come over to the glue and I go in and I kind of scoop up, because we want glue on our extension. If I was to simply go in and come out, as I'm coming out, it's taking the glue off. So I kind of go in and I scoop up. Now this glue has been out for about half an hour, 40 minutes. So if I was to go in and scoop up, I would pick up quite a lot. You can see that bubble on it. We don't want any balls of glue on our extension. One, because it takes longer to dry, so it will attract natural lashes either side to it, and that will stick. We don't want that. It makes the set look really messy. It don't allow us to have a clear isolation. So when our glue is drying, we're gonna go into it and out. So it's better that way. In and out. And we've just picked up, see, that's the old glue. But I've dipped correctly and we can see that we haven't got massive balls of adhesive on it.